Hi guys! Today we're going to talk about CTR. CTR stands for click-through rate. For example, if you have 1,250 views and 12 clicks on one listing, your CTR on that listing will be 1%. Now, where to look for the CTR in Etsy? So, in your shop manager, you go to your marketing menu. And then in your marketing menu, you will find an Etsy Ads section on which you click. There, you have a click-through rate for each listing. Now that we have gone over the basics, let's move on to the real stuff. Here is a really bad click-through rate. Now, why does the CTR in this listing suck? So, here's the scheme. Here's the market, this big blue bubble, and here you have your target audience, and right over there is your listing. And as you can see, they're not really intertwined or connected in any way. But why does this happen? That happens because of bad targeting. And how do we get rid of bad targeting? Or how can you improve this? Is by changing your CEO. My advice would be to be very, very specific. Now, let me show you. First step, enable Etsy Boost and open Etsy Ads. Click on Detailed Stats and expand your data to see all the keywords. Second step, check out the keywords for each listing with a bad CTR. For example, this keyword is home decor and did not fit at all with my listing. That's why the click-through rate was 0.3%. What is there to do in this case? You click to disable it as a relevant keyword. So your listing no longer shows up on that keyword. The results after this action, in some time of course, will be that your listings will show up where they're supposed to. So in this scheme, your listing is within your target audience. Yeah guys, so that was it. I hope it helped. Please don't forget to install the Etsy Boost extension for a better ads management experience overall, and see you next time.